Guys, someone call the CEO. Right, we are coming to you live from Diaspora Insurance House in Birmingham, where we are welcoming Kenyan artist Jose Gatutura, who is in the UK and is coming to visit our offices. He is accompanied by our brand ambassador, Sheila Stewart, on our events. Just waiting for the Mzee come out of the vehicle.
This is our building. So now this is our physical office. Now can I put it ndo badia. Tumejikanyangia vizuri sana. Yeah, so we'll walk inside. All the spaces, all the offices that tuko nazo hapa ndani. Hello our viewers. Joshua Gatutura is here in the building, guys. Our one and only celebrity, all the way from Kenya. So Joseph is now is the reception, and we have our marketing director.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes, Chitra. And nice to meet you. Welcome to Diaspora Insurance House.
Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so you can see this is the section.
Wow.
Stars everywhere. So we walk upstairs, we go and meet our CEO. Oh, you press that one, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So Jose, wacha nikueleze a bit about your diaspora na what tunafanyanga. Yeah, so what we do, it's a company that's tailored, our policy is tailored for our African people who are in diaspora that, you know, si lazima kusia kufa, lazima tunafanya michango, sijui za mazishi nini. Mtu anaweza kujizika akiwa uhai by kutoa pesa kidogo mpaka hiyo siku kufika unapewa hiyo pesa yako. That's what we do. Yeah.
So hii wanalipa kimwezi ama wanalipa?
Yeah, every month unalipanga pesa kidogo kidogo, lakini inategemea na miaka. Yeah.
Na sasa ndio uweze kufika mahali usaidike, unafaa kusave na wao kama muda gani?
Una save kutoka ukiwa mdogo, like kutoka ile time umeanzia all the way to the age of 80. Kisha fika 80, hutatoa tena. Then from there, hata ukikufa at the age of 100, you still get your money. Because we got registered hapa in the UK Now we are accredited by FCA. We're accredited by FCA, meaning that
So inasaidia mwenye ana save na familia.
Okay, pause. Okay, because how we go now, eh? Okay, so it's just a small thing.
Sorry. Quick.
We're gonna come upstairs. Viewers, stay with us as we go and wait for them upstairs, where they will meet our CEO, Mr. Jeff Matingo.
So this is now upstairs. If we can have several offices here, and our CEO.
Hello. Our CEO is here. And
Hello.
Hello.
Are you
Hi,
welcome?
Mr. Bill.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, so this is Jeff, Joseph, this is our CEO, Mr. Jeff.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
this is one of our big celebrity back in Kenya.
Oh,
His name is
beautiful.
Jose.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gatutura.
thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Karibu
Asante
sana.
sana.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you so much for this thing.
Yeah. So karibu sana Joseph.
Thank you so
This
much.
is where we are based in. You can see we have a solid and a physical offices, and the building is massive. So that tells your fans and our fellow Kenyans that we are actually legit, and we have a physical office here, as you can see. Yeah, so sisi wasi wakiwa badia.
Hapo sawa.
Yeah.
I heard about Diaspora Insurance.
Uh-huh.
They're doing an amazing job.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we are basically in the market to support the African communities, and it's about community empowerment. We basically been running. This is 14 years now.
14 years.
So it's been a very exciting journey, and we always say to our clients, ours is not work, ours is a calling, because we really feel we are on a mission to support communities. The thing is, the narrative with the most African diasporas has been that every time there's a funeral, it ends up with the grieving and begging, and that cannot and it does not define us as a diasporan people, especially African diaspora. So we're really in the market to empower our people, make sure that God forbid something happens, of which it will happen at some point. Yeah, they put it that we all begin to die the day we are born. We just don't know how long we have to live.
Yeah.
And so at some point it will happen. So it's not about dying, it's about planning. Yeah, it's about planning. So we are in the market to support our people so that they can plan for their end of life expenses and avoid the narrative of being a case of GoFundMe every time there's a funeral. Yeah, so we do cover 25 African nationalities now, including Kenya, Tanzania.
How many countries?
25
countries.
Yeah, 25 African nationalities we cover now, and that includes Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, the likes of Nigeria, Ghana, Southern Africa, Zimbabwe, South Africa, so quite a lot of countries. And to date we've paid in excess of 5 million in terms of cash handouts to bereaved families. And the good thing with the diaspora is that it's all above what we are authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, which is very, very important for client protection. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So it's been some journey.
Thank you so much. Umesikia wa Kenya na andũ a nyũmba ũhoro wĩgiĩ Diaspora Insurance ũrĩa ĩteithĩrĩirie andũ tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũmenyaga ũhoro wa rũciũ. Vizuri tujipanga, wacha nisema na Kiswahili ndio wasikie vizuri. Diaspora Insurance nimeisikia kwa muda na mnafanya kazi poa. You are doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So
Yeah.
thanks so much, guys. We really appreciate all of you for following and listening to us. As you can see, we are here in Birmingham. This is our main office, and you have heard it all from our CEO about Diaspora Insurance and what we do. So guys, the time of begging and grieving is over, because Diaspora Insurance is here for you to cater for your funeral and to cover. And death is inevitable. It comes any day, any time. For old, young, it doesn't matter. And you don't know the day. You don't know when it's going to come, yeah? So for you to cover yourself, because you don't want to create a WhatsApp group for Michango, do you? So that's why Diaspora Insurance, we are here. And as you can see, we are registered here. We are covered by FCA. That means even if whatever Diaspora is no longer there, your money is still safe. I keep telling you that. So the time is today, guys. Dokama Ererie, Chukwa Diaspora Insurance. Thanks so much.
And also the other good thing, guys, is that you can cover family back home.
Yeah.
It's not just you in the diaspora.
Yeah.
The pain of most diasporans is that sometimes you wake up in the morning, the phone is red, people are trying to contact you from home. The next thing you hear, mom is gone, or brother is gone, or sister is gone. We need to cover that financial shock by taking a simple policy to cover your family back home. So that, God forbid, anything happens to them, you get your financial intervention, you get the money immediately to cover the funeral. So it's very, very important to cover your loved ones back home, because an average diasporan is like a cash cow for their people back home. So you want it to be able to manage that financial risk.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See, well, two quick questions before you go.
Yeah.
Can Kenyans, wherever they are in the world, take this policy, number one? And secondly, what is the advantage of being on a diaspora insurance policy compared to those WhatsApp groups or the so-called video societies?
Yeah, that's a very, very important question. Firstly, the good thing is that yes, any Kenyan worldwide can cover themselves. Doesn't matter whether you're in the UK, you're in Australia, you're in Canada, you're in USA, you can cover yourself on the diaspora funeral cash plan. And beyond that, you can add any relative you want to add, especially those relatives you know that when something happens back home, you are the first point of call, because people home want financial intervention. Instead of the financial shock landing on your pocket, or you end up using a credit card to travel and fund the funeral back home, cover them. For a small premium, God forbid something happens, you get financial intervention and you don't have to be caught in a situation of grieving and begging, because that becomes a double trauma issue. So that's the key thing. Then the other point you mentioned there about the Mchangos, and then the benevolent funds, the burial society, or the WhatsApp groups, it's not good. It's an informal solution where people try to get together and support each other. But in the diaspora, because of the cost of the funeral is so high, you never, unless it's very tragic, you never get to raise enough money. In any case, you can't do family protection or intergenerational financial security on the basis of that people will be merciful. People's mercy is not insurance, and it's not guaranteed. So that is very, very important that you protect yourself at an individual level. We can coexist as Kenyans or as South Africans or Nigerians in the diaspora and support each other morally, spiritually. But when it comes to issues of finance, you cannot bank on people's mess, because it will happen when people don't have their own pressing financial issues and they cannot intervene and support you. So, and also when you come together as groups, sometimes it becomes, it's quite informal. There are issues of managing client money, which are regulatory issues. And when you do it in an informal way, the next thing you find that there's a bereavement, the treasurer can't be found. And there's a bereavement, the relatives of the founders of the group keep on getting the payouts. When an ordinary member makes a claim, you are given an excuse. So all those things are issues that you cannot bank on that long term for intergenerational financial security. But with the proper insurance product like diaspora insurance, it means that you can protect yourself, you can protect your loved ones, you can protect your loved ones, and you can protect your dignity. That is the key thing. The informal options, yes, but they are not sustainable. They are susceptible to so many failures, including administrative failures, wrong investment, and people just embezzlement of funds. Those things are real, and we've seen a lot of groups collapsing with people's money. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, music.
One last one, a song for us, your hit song. Just for us.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have many songs. Tuirio twega,
Yes.
Yeah.
good food, eh?
Yeah.
Wahenirie thĩndĩ waku wa maica ngoro yakwa ngĩkũnengera yothe mĩaka 10 ndũraga ngwetereire ndiũĩ wathiĩ tũkĩnyua many songs. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I
Beautiful,
appreciate it. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Diaspora Insurance. Peace of mind guaranteed.